Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Let's talk hair. Specifically, the kind of hair that's been colored to perfection and deserves to stay that way. If you've ever stepped out of the salon with that fresh, vibrant color and wished it could last forever, you'll want to pay attention. Today's spotlight is on the Oribe Shampoo for Beautiful Color, an 8.5-ounce luxury formula created to protect and preserve color-treated hair without compromising on feel or shine. Oribe designed this shampoo with a sulfate-free formula that's gentle yet effective, aimed at maintaining vibrancy while cleansing. It's enriched with their signature complex, watermelon, lychee, and edelweiss flower extracts to defend against oxidative stress and fading. The formula is also said to replenish moisture, prevent UV damage, and enhance color longevity. And of course, it carries Oribe's signature Cote scent, which adds a little sensory indulgence to your wash day. When I put it to the test, I focused on how it fit into my regular routine. The texture is silky and slightly pearlescent, which made it feel instantly luxurious in my hands. It lathered softly, not with big bubbles like a typical drugstore shampoo, but with a creaminess that clung to my hair without stripping it. I used it both after freshly coloring my hair and weeks later, and in both cases, the color remained noticeably rich, less brassiness, more vibrancy. It also left my hair soft enough that I could almost skip conditioner, though I still recommend pairing it with one for the best results. The scent lingered subtly, not overpowering, but definitely noticeable. The strengths are clear. It's gentle, effective for maintaining color, and feels indulgent every time you use it. The Cote d'Azur fragrance is a bonus if you love a sophisticated scent. On the flip side, it's expensive. Luxury pricing for sure. And if your hair is very oily, you might find you need to wash more frequently, as this isn't a heavy-duty clarifier. Is it worth the money? For someone deeply invested in keeping salon color fresh for as long as possible, yes. You're paying not just for the name, but for a formula that meets industry standards for high-end color protection, sulfate-free cleansing, UV protection, and antioxidant support. Compared to similar luxury options, Oribe's performance is on par or better, with the added bonus of that sensory experience the brand is known for. If your budget is tighter, Pureology Hydrate Shampoo offers comparable color protection at a lower price point, though you'll miss out on the Oribe fragrance and prestige packaging. Packaging-wise, Oribe excels. The bottle is sturdy, beautifully designed, and easy to control for dispensing the right amount. Important, since overusing it would feel like pouring gold down the drain at this price. Longevity-wise, a little goes a long way, so one bottle should last a decent stretch if you're mindful about portioning. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Oribe Shampoo for Beautiful Color delivers on its promise. It's not just a shampoo, it's a hair-preserving ritual for those who view their color as an investment. If your priority is to extend the life of your hair color while keeping your hair soft, nourished, and subtly scented, this could be a worthy addition to your shelf. If you're more about budget efficiency, there are solid alternatives, but they won't replicate the full Oribe experience. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link in the description box. If you've tried this shampoo, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.